Happy New Year, guys! Long time no talk. Really? Anyway, I figured I'd start off the new year with what I actually wore for New Year's Eve and all of the good stuff, since I really didn't like the ones that I posted yesterday. But anyway, jumping right into this tutorial, we are starting off with Twinkle Tee's Glow Up with one coat on our base, and then I went in and basically dry brushed my favorite foil glue. I kind of wanted to start this year off with a bang, and I really miss playing with foils. So dry brush that on, wait about 5 minutes for it to dry, and then we're going in with gold holographic nail foil. This stuff is super thin. It is perfect for stamping, but I really wanted to throw it on the nail in this technique. So you just throw it on once it's dry, and then you kind of pat it all over the nail until all of that nail glue is completely covered. I was so close to leaving my nails just like this, but you know I couldn't leave well enough alone, and then I did the unthinkable. I put a matte top coat on the hollow. I know. What I'm using here is a gel. Just make sure that you put some sort of either gel barrier or water-based top or base coat between your hollow foil and whatever else you're going to do on your nail, or else you'll blow it out, which is why I use gel. Going in with my favorite scent of liquid latex, I'm going in with these champagne cheering glasses, using black for the glasses and then silver for the champagne on top. I've never really seen silver champagne, but you know, I wanted it to pop off the gold. And we're just gonna throw that right on top of our middle nail. I do love it. Do you guys hear the 4-year-old in the background? I wanted to go super simple, super classy for this look. So for our ring finger, we are just doing a black Happy New Year's stamp, and then we will be accenting that with a silver clock. And as you can see, that H really did not want to stay on my nail. So my nail says, Happy New Year's! After you get that latex off, you are free to use any top coat that you want. Since you already have a barrier over your foil, I went in with my Glisten and Glow matte top coat to seal it all down. And this was the finished look. I am really digging how these turned out. I will probably wear them for a solid week or so before I get sick of them and go in with something else. What are you guys most looking forward to in the new year? Leave your resolutions down below. I would love to hear them, and I will see you guys soon, hopefully soon. Bye.